Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Mr. Binary. If you are here for the first time, you should know that this is a binary option trading platform, not forex trading. In this video, I am going to trade at Quotex and also explain it to you. At this channel I upload informative videos about binary option trading, and I try my best to include the best trading method for you in each video, so that you guys can earn a good profit from your trading. Well, let me show you how the market was working before here. Just a brief look. So, it shows a clear uptrend from the current market situation. But this is not a very strong trend, as you can see bullish candles as well as bearish candles forming at the same level indicates that the current trend is facing resistance and the market can change the trend anytime. But I have just take a trade with the trend and will not go against it. At the moment the payouts of the assets I have selected are not much better. I am sure it will be an easy winning trade. At this moment you are seeing this consolidation zone. The market has tried to get out of here, but the clear rejection on these candles has pushed the market back down. Let me explain. What is consolidation zone? Consolidation in trading refers to a period when the price of an asset trades within a tight range, often characterized by a lack of significant price movement. During consolidation, the asset's price remains within a specific range, and there is no clear trend either upward or downward. Traders often use technical analysis tools such as support and resistance levels, moving averages, and chart patterns to identify consolidation periods. Consolidation is considered a pause or a period of indecision in the market, and it usually occurs after a significant price move. Traders may use consolidation as an opportunity to enter or exit positions, depending on their trading strategies. Some traders may wait for a breakout from consolidation to initiate a trade, while others may prefer to stay on the sidelines until the market shows a clearer direction. As soon as the market came back close to this level, I placed the trade for 5 minutes. That is, I placed the trade before it fully reached this support line of consolidation area, because I felt that the market would definitely turn back to the upward direction from here. Dear traders, want to try this platform? Get link below in description. We provide binary option free signals also. Our signals work with all binary option brokers. You can get link below in description. Don't skip the video and watch till end, because to understand the market movement and its behavior, if like the video, give thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more informative videos. So, we win this trade easily. If you want to become a profitable trader, subscribe our YouTube channel, and you can join us on Telegram also. Happy trading and wish you all the best.